Alright, 96 Impala SS Caprice Roadmaster, some Cadillacs. If you have a 5.7 liter motor and you are doing your power steering pump right under here, it is a bitch. And I ain't parting nothing. It's a bitch. So we just need to get this last bolt out of here and let me see. I'll cut the light on, yeah. Got one more bolt that's in the back, and that's where it's at right there. It's just a motherfucker to get to, because that's what you got to get between and get it all this shit out the way. The alternator, you got to move everything. It's a lot, but I'll be happy to get it. No power steering is no fun. Alright, I'm out.